Gilan is a beautiful region of Iran along the coast of Caspian Sea. Nature of Gilan province with mild climate, dense forests, and wonderful landscapes such as sea, waterfalls, forest-covered mountains, and plenty of flowing rivers, lush green gardens, and countryside has created potentials for different types of activities. Cultural and historical richness of Gilan, along with the large diversity of local lifestyle, led this province to be a candidate for ecotourism. All these above come up with the necessity of further developing of ecotourism in Gilan in the international scale.